Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade burgers. First, let's gather our ingredients for 4 delicious burgers. You'll want about 1½ pounds of 80/20 ground beef for the best flavor and juiciness. Don't forget your essential seasonings like salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a touch of garlic powder. Also, have your favorite burger buns, cheese, and fresh toppings ready to go. Now, let's get those patties ready for cooking. Divide your 1½ pounds of ground beef into 4 equal portions, each weighing about 6 ounces. Gently form each portion into a patty that's roughly 3/4 of an inch thick. A little trick: press a small indentation in the center of each patty with your thumb. This helps prevent the burger from bulging in the middle as it cooks, ensuring an even shape. Remember, don't overwork the meat. It's time to cook those beautiful burgers. Preheat your grill or a cast iron skillet to a medium-high heat, aiming for about 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your patties on the hot surface and cook them for about 3 to 5 minutes per side for a delicious medium rare. If you like cheese, add a slice during the last minute of cooking so it melts perfectly. For food safety, ensure the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. The moment we've been waiting for: assembly. First, lightly toast your burger buns. This adds a wonderful texture and prevents them from getting soggy. Place your perfectly cooked patty, complete with its melted cheese, onto the bottom half of the bun. Now it's time to customize. Pile on your favorite fresh toppings like crisp lettuce, juicy tomato slices, and thinly sliced onion. Top with the other bun half, and your incredible homemade burger is ready to be devoured. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.